My Rainbow Cat's Adventure is a heartwarming story about a colorful cat who goes on a journey to find the end of the rainbow. Along the way, he meets new friends and faces small challenges. In the end, he discovers something special. He has been rainbow all along. Let's start the story. My Rainbow Cat's Adventure, illustrated and created by Ginalyn Sakido. This is my rainbow cat. He's bright, colorful, and very special. Rainbow Cat loves to sit by the window. He watches the sky every day. One morning, he saw a big, beautiful rainbow. Wow, said Rainbow Cat. I want to find where the rainbow ends, he said. So he went on adventure. Rainbow Cat walked through the green grass. The grass tickled his paws. He met a little bird. Where are you going? Asked the bird. I'm chasing the rainbow, said the cat. Good luck, chirped the bird. Rainbow Cat kept walking. Soon he reached a sparkling river. Oh no, how can I cross? He wondered. A friendly fish popped up. I can help you, said the fish. Rainbow Cat carefully crossed the river. Thank you, he smiled. He climbed a small hill. The rainbow looked so close now. But when he reached the top, the rainbow moved farther away. Rainbow Cat sat down and sighed. Meow. Then he looked at himself. My colors is just like the rainbow. He smiled. Rainbow Cat went home happily. I am a rainbow too, he said proudly. The end.